You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. How to pronounce it correctly in English. It's gonna have two slightly different pronunciations, depending whether it's British English or American English. If you want to learn more correct pronunciation, stay tuned. Jawline in British English, in the UK, jawline. The Americans, the US American English pronunciation is more generally as jawline. So it's a jaw sound, jawline in American English, or jawline in British English. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.